Hi friends, how are you? By blessings of the God, you are doing well. This is Dr. A B JENA, Senior Assistant Professor, PG Department of Business Management, Pakirmoni University, Vyasabihar, Balasore, Odisha. Once again, I am welcoming to all of you to Dr. A B JENA classes, and today we are going to discuss the very interesting the contents, and these contents are very useful and fruitful not only to the 12th standard students but also to the students of UG and PG so far as commerce management, PMR and other subjects. And also this content will be very useful and fruitful to the aspirants or the candidates who are appearing the lectureship as well as the UGC NET and JRF exemption and other competitive exemptions. Okay, so we are going to discuss the 50 important abbreviation and what is the full form and the year of establishment or the act so far as our discussion is concerned. Okay, so without delay, dear friends, we will start our the very interesting discussion content. Okay, dear friends, without delay, we will start our discussion. फर्स्ट वन इज फिकी. फिकी का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री. सो फिकी का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ था 1927 में. ओके, सो फिकी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर इज 1927. फिकी इट स्टैंड्स फॉर फुल फॉर्म फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन चैम्बर्स ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री. नेक्स्ट क्या है? सेबी. सेबी सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया. सिक्योरिटी एंड एक्सचेंज बोर्ड ऑफ इंडिया, इट्स एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ था 1988 में एंड सेबी एक्ट है 1992. नेक्स्ट नाबार्ड. सो नाबार्ड, सेबी इज द गॉडफादर ऑफ द इन्वेस्टर. नाबार्ड, नेशनल बैंक फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट. सो नाबार्ड का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर है 1982. Again, NABARD stands for National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Next है SIDBI. Okay, SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. SIDBI फुल फॉर्म है स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. सिडबी का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर है 1990. ओके, सिडबी का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर है 1990. एंड आईडीबीआई का फुल फॉर्म है इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. सो आईडीबीआई का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर है 1964. आगे चलते हैं. IFCI. IFCI का फुल फॉर्म है इंडस्ट्रियल फाइनेंस कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया. IFCI का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर 1948. देन IDFC, इट स्टैंड्स फॉर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट फाइनेंस कंपनी लिमिटेड. एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर है 1997. Then ICICI, it stands for Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. Again, ICICI, Industrial Credit Investment Corporation of India. Year of establishment है 1955. Then Exim Bank, EXIM, Exim Bank. एक्जिम बैंक का फुल फॉर्म है एक्सपोर्ट इंपोर्ट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. एक्जिम बैंक का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर है 1982. देन LIC का फुल फॉर्म है लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया. LIC एक्ट इज 1956. ओके, डियर फ्रेंड्स, for your kind information, I have already posted one separate video around 41 act and their year of act. So kindly you go through the posted video, you will know more and more. And नेक्स्ट है जीआईसी। जीआईसी का फुल फॉर्म है जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया। जीआईसी एक्ट है 1972। एनएसी, एनएसी का फुल फॉर्म है नेशनल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज। एनएसी, एनएसी का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ईयर है 1992। बीएससी बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, ओके, एशिया में, ओके, इट्स द फर्स्ट stock exchange in Asia and fastest stock exchange. And BSE year of establishment of BSE है 1875. Then CRISIL, okay, CRISIL, CRISIL, CRISIL stands for Credit Rating Information Services of India Limited. CRISIL establishment year of CRISIL is in 1987. Okay, then UTI, it stands for Unit Trust of India. Okay, year of establishment of UTI है 1963. Year of establishment of UTI is in 1963. Then नीति, NITI, नीति। सो नीति का फुल फॉर्म है नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग इंडिया। ओके, ईयर ऑफ एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ नीति इज 2000 और 2015। एंड नीति हैज ऑलरेडी रिप्लेस्ड द प्लानिंग कमीशन। ओके, प्लानिंग कमीशन, प्लानिंग कमीशन। Then UPI, it stands for Unified Payment Interface. Okay, then UPI, Unified Payments Interface. Then INDAS, okay, INDAS, it stands for Indian Accounting Standards. Then IFRS, it stands for International Financial Reporting Standards. Then FDI, all of us know more or less. FDI, it stands for Foreign Direct Investment. Then FII, Foreign Institutional Investors. Then Mudra, okay, Mudra, it stands for Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency Limited. Or so it's also called as known as that is Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana and PMMY, Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. These schemes, okay, was launched in April 2015. Then ADR, it stands for American Depository Receipts. GDR stands for Global Depository Receipts. Then IDR, it's Indian Depository Receipts. Then ATM, more or less, okay, we are all using the ATM. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. Then BOP, it stands for Balance of Payment. Then NSDL, it stands for National Securities Depository Limited. NSDL का establishment year है 1996. Then CTSL, it stands for Central Securities Depository Limited. And year of establishment है 1999. Then CRR, Cash Reserve Ratio. Commercial bank has to maintain the minimum deposit with, okay, RBI. In separate video we will discuss in detail. PLR, it stands for Prime Lending Rate. SLR, Statutory Liquidity Ratio. Then car, it is not the driving, okay, for car. So car, it stands for Capital Adequacy Ratio. Then ERP, it stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Then FEMA stands for Foreign Exchange Management Act. So FEMA Act is in 1999. Then FERA, FERA, it's a full form of FERA, a Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. It's established, its act is 1973. Then IMF, it stands for International Monetary Fund. Year of establishment is 1944. Then IBRD, okay, IBRD also known as called as the World Bank. IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Okay, the same year of establishment of IBRD is 1944. Both IMF and IBRD establishment year is same year. Then BCBS, it stands for Basel Committee for Banking Supervision, or popularly it's known as that is the Basel Committee. Year of establishment is that is 1974. Then ADB, it stands for Asian Development Bank. ADB का year of establishment year है 1966. Then KYC, it stands for Know Your Customer. M and A, it's a merger and a acquisition. Then 43, NBFC, it stands for Non-Banking Finance Company. Then NEFT, it stands for National Electronic Fund Transfer. NEFT, very very vital. NEFT, again I am repeating, okay, National Electronic Fund Transfer. Then RTGS, Real Time Gross Settlement. Then NPA, non-performing asset, means a customer will be the defaulter to pay the loan amount to the bank. In separate video we will discuss in detail. NPA, it stands for non-performing asset. Then SMEs, small micro enterprises. Okay, small and medium sized enterprises. Okay, ASME, small and micro or the medium enterprises. Then MSMEs, then micro, small and medium enterprises, and its act here to okay, MSME Act is 2006. So MSME, so small and medium, okay, small and medium sized enterprises. SEZ, Special Economic Zone. Then SWOT, SWOT, it stands for strength. A stands for strength, W stands for weakness, O stands for opportunities, and T stands for threats. So Albert Humphrey developed the SWOT analysis concept in the year 1960, and who is a management consultant at Stanford Research Institute. So these are all about the discussion. So thanks a bunch to all of you. If you like this video, kindly share among your friends for subscription and likes. So dear friends, your valuable comments and suggestions are most welcome for further improvement for the next video. Once again, thanks a lot to all of you.